Some birds go. Written by Mercy Above. Up in the sky, birds fly by. Where are the birds going? Some birds migrate to other places for part of the year. Many migrate before winter in order to survive. This bird migrates for fruit in winter. It returns for worms and insects in spring. These birds migrate in a V-shaped flock. These birds migrate at night and rest during the day. This bird migrates then the air grows too cold. This bird often migrates alone. This bird migrates in a flock in thousands. This bird migrates across the water without stopping. Some birds fly down a mountain to migrate. Some birds fly thousands of miles to migrate wherever these birds go. They always come back. Goodbye.